Hi, this presentation is a quick introduction to the referee process. Today we'll cover seeking referee availability. The full course can be accessed through the e-learning module. To start, it's really important just to see the entire referee process, which involves the candidate, the department, the analyst, and the referee. As you can see, there are many variables, with much of the work coming back to the analyst in that second column. However, with this process, several steps have been automated through ServiceNow. Let's zoom in to have a closer look. Taking a closer look at the start, some of the information includes one or two follow-ups, with no response by a certain date, serving as negative confirmation to move forward. This alone can save an analyst several days to several weeks of check-ins. In the end, there are several variables relying on the analyst assessing each situation and how best to move forward. We'll get into more detail. However, for a step-by-step guide, it's available for your reference on all parts of the referee process, including how to solicit referees and how to use the ServiceNow referee tracker. Just follow the folders listed in the box on the bottom right hand of your screen. The document has been locked, but this is just to avoid accidents. To make edits, you can unprotect it using that super secret password you see there, which is 1234. Okay, after receiving the vetted list back from the department, let's go over how to see if the referees are available to write a letter. This video is also included in the e-learning course and the referee handbook. This provides steps on how to send the initial referee confirmation email to a potential referee internal to UCSD. Inside the case, click on the Add Referee button at the top. For an internal candidate, start typing the name in the top referee field and click on the correct faculty. Most information will auto-populate. If it doesn't, you only need to fill in the fields with an asterisk. Choose selected by candidate, department, or selected by both independently. Since we're not soliciting just yet, leave the solicited date and letter due date blank. Checking the bypass initial confirmation will not send this initial email asking for the contact to accept or decline to write a letter. This would be most useful if the referee is already confirmed in some way, perhaps with the department chair or division chief, for example. If left unchecked, the initial email will be sent. This will most likely be used for most cases. A line will be added to the updates showing an initial reference request has been sent. Additionally, this video is included in the e-learning course in the handbook. It provides the steps on how to send the initial confirmation email to potential referees external to UC San Diego. External contacts work basically the same way but take a little extra step. Click the Add Referee button. Uncheck Internal, which adds new fields. Type in the email. This will provide an alert if the contact is already in our database. Copy the email and paste it in the referee field. In this case, she's there, but if not, just add the required information marked by asterisks. Choose selected by candidate, department, or both. Leave the solicited date and letter due date empty again. Decide whether or not you need to bypass initial confirmation, then submit and exit. A new line will show up in the updates of your case. After the email is sent, there are three possible outcomes. The referee accepts to write a letter, they decline to write a letter, or they're non-responsive. If they accept and confirm they can write a letter, you'll get a notification in your ARC request emails. The accepted and due date will be auto-populated. Please note that the referee can also suggest a date they can return the letter. And if they do this, it will auto-populate in the letter due date area. You don't need to change anything. Within 48 hours of receiving this ARC request email, you must solicit the referee. Be sure to add the correct date, just in case they changed it. If they respond declining, the decline column in ServiceNow will show as true. Make a note in the notes column, something like decline during confirmation or something like that to help remind you. Because no solicitation letter was sent, there's no need to enter the referee qualifications, and this referee can be deleted in the end, and it will not be included on the referee ID. If there's no response after 72 hours, one auto email is sent to the potential referee, asking them to confirm one way or the other. If there's still no response, make a note in ServiceNow in the notes column as unresponsive. Don't delete any of the instances yet, as you will need to record who has been solicited and who has not. However, these potential referees do not get included on the referee ID. Are there any questions?